What is the optimal temperature range for a heat pump to function efficiently in winter?
Hello, and welcome to our discussion on the optimal temperature range for a heat pump to function efficiently during the winter season. Understanding this can help you maximize your heat pump's efficiency and ensure a cozy indoor climate even in the cold months.
What is a heat pump?
A heat pump is a device that transfers heat energy from a source of heat to what is called a thermal reservoir. It's used in many homes to both heat and cool the space, making it a versatile choice for year-round comfort.
What is the optimal temperature range for a heat pump in winter?
When it comes to the optimal operating temperature range for a heat pump in winter, it's important to understand that the efficiency of the heat pump decreases as the outside temperature drops. Heat pumps are typically most efficient when the outdoor temperature is between 25 degrees Fahrenheit and 30 degrees Fahrenheit, minus 3.9 degrees Celsius to minus 1.1 degrees Celsius. However, this can vary depending on the specific model and make of the heat pump.
What happens if the temperature falls below the optimal range?
If the temperature drops below the optimal range, the heat pump may switch to a secondary heat source, often referred to as auxiliary or emergency heat. This heat is typically generated by electric resistance heating, which is less efficient and more costly.
How can you improve your heat pump's efficiency in winter?
To maintain heat pump efficiency during the winter, regular maintenance is key. This includes cleaning or replacing the filter regularly, checking for any obstructions in the outdoor unit, and ensuring the unit is free from ice or snow buildup. Moreover, investing in a high-efficiency heat pump or a model with a high seasonal energy efficiency ratio (SEER) and heating seasonal performance factor (HSPF) can also contribute to improved winter efficiency. Understanding the optimal temperature range for your heat pump in winter can help you keep your home comfortably warm without breaking the bank. Regular maintenance and considering the efficiency ratings while purchasing a new unit can also go a long way in optimizing its performance. We hope this information has been helpful. Stay warm this winter.